お久しぶりです皆さん. So today, it's been a while obviously. I thought we'd start back with the YouTube videos on a really exciting day because Dustin Williams is in the UK and we're going up to our good friends Meguiars to do like a meet and greet kind of thing. We're bringing the S15, we got our Legends Media top on, so we're gonna go up there and see what it's all about. I missed you guys. So, since we're stuck in traffic and we still have 2 hours, normally it would take just over 2 hours to get to Meguiars, but I'll pause this. Because I've taken a bit of a hiatus on YouTube, I've been focusing more on Instagram. So if you haven't yet, follow me on Instagram. However, I've been doing Japanese videos with my Japanese. So if you want to follow and see that, please do, because I'm putting all of my Japanese to good use from when I obviously moved to Japan, and I miss it so much. But to keep my Japanese like paka, I'm just practicing on Instagram, and I show you pieces of my car. He wants to go. That guy in the Alpha wants to go. But yeah, I've been really enjoying it, and I'll show you. I'll demonstrate. It goes like, I won't spoil everything, but I'll just be like, Mado wa ageru. The window is open. Shimeru. Practicing open and close. We'll see you when something either exciting happens or we stop for a breather, because we've been in the car for an hour already. Can you believe that? An hour. But I'm excited. Wow, it's all like flying off the windscreen. So we have just arrived. I guess you guys have seen a little bit of us driving up here. We went through 3 storms and it took super long. Normally it doesn't take too long, but we are back in Meguiars and Dustin is just over there. See if I can get that to focus in post. But it's super cool. They've done a lot of really cool stuff here. I've already met Dustin, but we're going to hang around a bit. He's signed a couple things and given me a couple things, which is really cool. Came straight out and saw my car and started chatting to me. So that's really cool. Really down-to-earth guy, and super happy to have made this journey up here. Just a genuine car guy, really nice person, and super pleased to just be a part of what's going on today. So there is a huge, I'll say huge, it's a decent line. They're restricting who can come in and who can't. They've still got all of the cars here. I don't know if this R32 was here before, but they've got the new booth, I'm guessing for photos. That's where you do the day in the bay over here. And then they've got this new office. I can't remember what cars were here and what weren't. I don't think this was here, but they got this new bay to take photos of your car, so that's absolutely sick. I'm gonna see if I can record a Japanese reel here. Thing. お久しぶりです。僕の名前はスコットです。そして僕はイギリス人です。今日はダスティンさんを紹介しよう。行きましょう。めっちゃ楽しみです。じゃんじゃん、ダスティンさんです。最高の YouTuber やな。久しぶりです。今日はダスティンさん、ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。またね。またね。
Jin. If you've seen my Japanese videos, you know what I'm doing right here. But real quick, just to finish off this video, because I feel like I owe you guys an explanation. This event was amazing. I absolutely loved it. If you didn't know, I do work with Meguiars UK. They are amazing people. Absolutely love them. Can't thank them enough for this event with Dustin. It was just the best time. Oh, and if you didn't realize or notice, my hair is different. I'm trying something, just I don't know how it's gonna go. But obviously I've been off of YouTube for a little bit, like 4 months, because I've had some personal stuff going on. I've started a different job. There's been like a weird transition phase since I moved back to England from Japan. If you are new here and you've made it this far, I did live in Japan for a little bit, traveled around, it was amazing. There's loads of videos on that, and I am going back. If you've made it this far, a little hint, little thing that's happening, I'm doing a Gunma trip at the end of the year, and I'm super excited for that. And obviously that's going to be recorded. If you don't know what Gunma is where Initial D, the anime, was set, and I'm basically doing a road trip around that. And then after that, it's Tokyo Auto Salon, so a lot going on. But this event was amazing. Just wanted to say thank you and apologize for not really being too consistent on here for, you know, the past couple months. It's been sucky, but I'm back and I really want to make you guys some amazing videos. So I'm really excited, a little bit nervous because I don't know what's going on with this weather right now in England. Kind of sucks, but regardless, I'm going to do what I can. So that brings me on to my next thing, which is, what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see car stuff, updates on the Sylvia, Japan tips, Japan travel stuff, Japan stories? What do you want to see? Do you like me just talking to you guys? I don't know what you like, so comment down below what it is that you like. And if you don't follow me on Instagram at the moment, my link is also down there as well, for my Instagram page. And if you have come from Instagram, thank you so much for all of your support. I love all of you. You're amazing. There's like 10,000 of you guys. This is like, that's insane. There's so many of you guys, and I love every one of you. You're just so cool. So yeah, I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you are new. Peace out and stay lucky.